Healthy meal prep hacks for busy individuals, save time and money. Welcome to our guide on healthy meal prep hacks for busy individuals, designed to save you both time and money. We understand that life can get overwhelmingly busy, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice healthy eating. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead. This simple step helps you avoid unhealthy choices and minimizes grocery shopping time. Invest in quality storage containers. They keep your food fresh longer and make it easy to grab and go during a busy week. Batch cooking is your best friend. Prepare large portions of staples like rice, vegetables, and proteins, then mix and match throughout the week. Opt for recipes that use similar ingredients. This reduces waste and cuts down on the number of different items you need to buy. Spice things up without extra calories by getting creative with herbs and spices. They transform simple meals into delicious dishes. Don't forget about the freezer. Freezing portions can be a great way to extend the life of your meals and vary your options. Make use of downtime. Cook meals while catching up on your favorite show or listening to a podcast to make the process feel less like a chore. Keep snacks simple and healthy. Options like nuts, fruits, and yogurt keep you full and are easy to eat on the move. Remember, meal prepping is about making your diet work for you, not the other way around. Tailor your meal prep to fit your specific lifestyle and preferences. With these hacks, not only will you save time and money, but you'll also maintain a healthy diet amidst your busy schedule. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the bell for more health tips and updates.